Welcome back. Margao UAE Exchange robbery case has been cracked by the Goa police. Police have recovered gold worth 1 crore 10 lakh rupees from a suspect in Akalkot, Solapur. Police Inspector Nilesh Rane and team solved this case in Solapur. However, Anil Chauhan escaped from his residence. The police are trying to trace him. On 4th March, UAE Exchange Finance Services had filed a complaint with the Margao police of theft in the exchange. One employee, Anil Chauhan, was suspected of decamping with gold ornaments worth 90 lakh rupees, 2.15 lakhs of foreign exchange and 50,000 cash from the exchange. Margao police, under the leadership of Nilesh Rane, cracked the robbery case. The police tried to track Anil Chauhan, but he fled from the clutches of police.
Information येवपाक लागलें की तो दुधनी गांवान येवपाचो आसा. So on Wednesday night itself we drove back to Solapur. From Solapur another 60 kilometers to Dudni. And Dudni वचून थंय ट्रॅप लावन दवरलो. Early morning around 5:30 तो बॅग ताजें कितें आशिल्लें इंटेंशन बॅग घरान दवरपाचें आनी पळपाचें. तो कस्टडीन येवपाक सोदनाशिल्लो कसोच पुलिसांच्या. So at that time आमी स जाण आनी बँक ऑफिशियल आमचे UAEचे ऑफिशियल आमचे बरोबरच आशिल्ले. सो सगळ्यांनी आमी थंय लिपोवन रावन ताका ट्रॅप लायिल्लो. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली ताका ती एरिया खबर आशिल्ल्या कारणानी आनी फाटल्यान शेत आनी जंगल आशिल्लें. So he could manage to run, but we managed to snap the bag from him.
A reporter in Margao, Samir Bhatt. Former CCP Mayor Tony Rodriguez is yet again in the fray for mayor's post. The tenure of CCP Mayor Yatin Parikh is getting over on 20th March. The election for the new mayor is scheduled on the same day.
Ruling corporators of CCP held a meeting at Babush Monserrat's residence in Talegaon on Friday. Meeting was held to discuss and decide on the successor of Yatin Parikh as the city mayor. Yatin Parikh's tenure is due on 20th of March. The election for the new mayor is expected to be held on the same day. Former CCP Mayor Tony Rodriguez is at the top of the aspirants list.
Tony to be a mayor. तुमचे कोणाचे कितें आसा जाल्यार सांग म्हणून सांगलें. तो सगळ्यांक सांगला आमचो सपोर्ट आसा म्हणून. गरज आहा पयलीं म्हणल्यार ती गार्बेज प्रॉब्लेम हो पयलो टॅकल करूंक जाय. आनी हे फावटी शिवर आमचो पेडणेम MLA इज अ चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी तो डेफिनेटली ह्या हाका पयलो हात घालतलो आनी प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करतलो ही म्हाका गॅरंटी आसा तेजी. आनी दुसरें मार्केट सारकें आहा बॅड कंडिशन कशें इतल्यान आनी थर्ड फेज येवपाची आहा ही म्हाका गॅरंटी आहा. आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर शुअर थर्ड फेज रोखडो करतलो हात घालतलो.
Our reporter from Panji Devidas Kamri with video journalist Sushant Par.
A youth from Poland died on the spot in a tragic accident at Kankon. The accident occurred when a ST bus was taking over a tanker along a wrong side. The body of the 20-year-old youth was shifted to Kankon Hospital. The accident took place on Friday at Kankon. Neeraj Gankar, 23-year-old youth, died on the spot. He is a resident of Pole, Kankon. He was riding a two-wheeler and was on the way to Karwar from Kankon. Locals on the spot claimed that accident occurred while a ST bus was taking over a tanker plying from Karwar to Kankon.
साइडीच्यान जालो ताका बरदा स्पीडीन गाडी नेटान मारली आनी तो बाबडो जाग्यारच गतप्राण जाला. हांगा वचून म्हणल्यार जवळ जवळ 7 ते 8 लोक मेल्ले आसात. हे जे टर्न आसा ते व्हेरी डेंजर टर्न आसा आनी वचून म्हणल्यार हांगा लोक जवळ जवळ 8 लोक मेल्ले आसात आनी 10-15 गाडी वयल्यान सकयल उडिल्ले आसात. आनी हे गव्हर्मेंटाची निश्काळजी आनी हांगा चडशे ST आनी ज्यो व्हॉल्वो बशी आसात त्यो बरदाव स्पीडीन हाडचे वतात. आमी कितले फावटी कंप्लेंट केली कितले फावटी आवाज उडयलो.
The body of 23-year-old youth was later shifted to Kankon Hospital. A reporter from Kankon, Babesh Borkar. North Goa suffered a power disruption for almost 3 hours in the wee hours on Friday. There would be a restricted water supply to Bicholi, Sattari, Pedne and Bades on Saturday. This is due to power failure at all 5 water treatment plants in North Goa. Heavy fog in Maharashtra was the reason for power disruption in Goa on Friday morning. Here's a report.
सकाळी 6 वरांचेर निमंत्रणा सारकी वचची म्हणून बसलो येवन 6:30 वेस्टर्न ग्रीड फेल जालो आमच्या अनेक जाणांक खबरूच नाशिल्लें. म्हाका लोकां कडच्यान कळ्ळें तो वेस्टर्न ग्रीड फेल जाला म्हणून काळो गुप्पाला म्हणून. पण 9 पर्यंत आमी परतो ग्रीड चालू केलो. तुमकां कोणाक लक्षांत सुद्दां येवं ना आसतलें.
PWD department has issued a press note informing about restricted water supply to Bardes, Bicholim, Satari and Perne on Saturday. It says that this restricted water supply is due to power failure at all water treatment plants of Asnoda, Padoshe, Daboshe, Chandel, Sakli, Bardes, Bicholim, Satari, Perne. North Goa suffered a power disruption for almost 3 hours in the wee hours on Friday from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Officials from Electricity Department confirmed the reports that the power disruption was across North Goa. Goa draws almost all its power from central grids through the neighboring state of Maharashtra. But on Friday morning, heavy fog in Solapur region led to power disruption across North Goa. Power was resumed at around 9 in the morning. Besides, water treatment plant power supply was also disrupted to many industrial estates in the North Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.